What if we were to whisper in your ear that BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager lurking in the shadows, has its eyes fixed on something that could upheave the very foundation of the financial world we inhabit? We're talking the enigmatic Bitcoin. Sink into the abyss of global finance, a world enshrouded in complexity, where a single whisper can echo through the caverns, triggering cataclysmic shifts. BlackRock is no mere participant but a formidable beast in this realm. As the largest asset manager worldwide, it has an unfathomable $7.4 trillion worth of assets under its control, a figure that surpasses the GDP of the stalwart fourth largest economy on our planet. BlackRock's grasp reaches into every corner, molding the financial landscape with its every move. And now, its ominous gaze is fixated on the digital horizon, onto Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin, the very same digital currency that's been setting tongues wagging and heads spinning since its creation in 2009. A currency that lingers in the nebulous realm of the internet, free from the grasp of any government or institution. A tempestuous asset, both precarious and precious, whose value has skyrocketed to dizzying highs and plummeted to terrifying lows. This is the enigma that has ensnared BlackRock's interest. Now, this isn't your corporation expressing a fleeting interest in Bitcoin. This is BlackRock, a leviathan in the realm of traditional finance, a behemoth whose whispers can tip the scales of markets, sculpt economies, and shift the balance of nations. Its interest in Bitcoin is not mere curiosity, but a thunderous roar in the financial jungle, signaling that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies might be creeping out of the fringes and into the limelight. But why? What could possibly instigate BlackRock, a titan of the orthodox financial world, to be intrigued by Bitcoin, a symbol of the fresh, digital, decentralized economy? What does it discern in this tumultuous, intangible asset that has been the source of so much speculation and contentious debate? The question that echoes in the darkness is, why does BlackRock, a pillar of traditional finance, have its sights set on Bitcoin, a digital, decentralized currency? In order to comprehend BlackRock's fascination, we must delve into the enigmatic world of Bitcoin and the reasons it's becoming a coveted asset. To put it in simple terms, Bitcoin is a unique breed of digital currency, a cryptocurrency that operates in the shadows of a central bank. Transactions occur directly between parties, no middlemen involved, through a cryptic technology known as blockchain. This decentralized trait is a part of Bitcoin's dark charm and allure. But what could be the allure behind Bitcoin's rising popularity among investors? A few sinister factors are at play here. First, Bitcoin has emerged as a potential shield against inflation. Traditional currencies are at the mercy of central banks, which can conjure more money when needed, but Bitcoin? It operates with a dark twist, a capped supply of 21 million coins. This restricted offering, coupled with a surge in demand, has led to drastic price escalations over time. Next, there's growing acceptance of Bitcoin as a legitimate, albeit unorthodox, asset class. Numerous businesses are beginning to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, and some daredevil investors are even considering it as digital gold, a modern trove value hidden in the digital realm. Now, let's expose BlackRock's role in this. BlackRock, the world's most formidable asset manager, has been flashing signs of interest in Bitcoin. This marks a significant turning point given the traditional financial institutions' skepticism of this dark digital currency. BlackRock's curiosity isn't whimsical though. They have detected the rising demand for Bitcoin and the potential it clandestinely holds. They perceive it as an asset that can offer investors the thrill of diversification, and they're investigating how to weave it into their investment strategies. But they recklessly charging into the abyss. BlackRock is wary of the risks lurking with Bitcoin, including its volatility and the uncertainties with regulation. However, they're also enticed by the potential rewards and are ready to venture into this uncharted territory. So, BlackRock sees potential in Bitcoin, but what does this imply for the future of finance? It might hint at a seismic shift in the investment sphere, where cryptocurrencies emerge from the shadows to become more mainstream and conventional financial institutions start to surrender to their allure. Only time will reveal the true impact. Rumblings of a financial leviathan like BlackRock taking an interest in Bitcoin could spell ominous changes on the horizon. Imagine the world's most formidable asset titan, commanding over $7 trillion, lurking with a keen interest in Bitcoin. This could trigger a seismic shift in the financial world. Casting long unsettling BlackRock's interest in Bitcoin could legitimize cryptocurrencies on a scale we haven't seen before, painting a much darker and complex picture of finance. Amid the increasing interest, there is still a fair quantity of skepticism casting a chilling presence over cryptocurrencies. Some view them as a passing illusion, others as a perilous gamble. But when a financial titan like BlackRock begins to stalk them seriously, it sends a powerful and potentially ominous message to the rest of the financial world. It declares that cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin in particular, are no fleeting specters. They are here to stay, lurking within the shadows. Next, let's delve into the prospect of a surge in institutional investment in Bitcoin. BlackRock's interest could be the catalyst that lures other mammoth financial institutions into the murky depths of Bitcoin investment. This could trigger a surge in demand for Bitcoin, and as we all know, when demand spikes and supply is limited, prices can rise like a threatening storm. This delivers us to the potential impact on Bitcoin's price. If BlackRock and other financial institutions begin to heavily invest in Bitcoin, it could sling the price upwards into uncharted territory. Naturally, it's worth noting that this is not certain. The price of Bitcoin, like any phantom, is influenced by numerous factors and can be excessively volatile. But let's not stop there. The ripple effects of BlackRock's interest could ripple through more than just the financial sector. It could alter our perception of money and the entire financial system, casting it all in a much darker light. It could challenge the reign of traditional currencies and lead the way to a brooding era of digital currencies. BlackRock's interest could be a game changer, but it's vital to remember that the world of finance is a shadowy and unpredictable beast. But one thing is crystal clear. If BlackRock does decide to plunge into the world of Bitcoin, it could herald the start of a new, darker chapter in the history of finance. So, we've delved into the enigma that is BlackRock's interest in Bitcoin. But what does this cryptic development entail for you, the viewer? Retrace our steps and review the key points divulged. We've journeyed through the labyrinth of BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, as it gradually immerses itself deeper into the waters of Bitcoin. This isn't merely a fleeting interest, it's a calculated strategic move that could irrevocably alter the face of finance as we understand it. BlackRock's venture into the Bitcoin realm isn't just an attempt to diversify its portfolio, it's an unflinching embrace of a digital future where cryptocurrencies cast a looming, significant shadow. By demonstrating interest in Bitcoin, BlackRock isn't merely skimming the surface, it's creating ripples that could morph into powerful, transformative waves, compelling other financial titans to follow its lead. This shadowy intersection of traditional finance and digital currencies is challenging the norm, moving boundaries into uncharted territories. We're living in an intriguing, albeit unnerving time of witnessing these tectonic shifts. The crossroads of traditional finance and digital currencies has never been more mysterious. As BlackRock ventures into the enigmatic world of Bitcoin, we hold our breath, waiting to see what unknown depths will be uncovered next.